Now this is a small lesson, you can get the understand, okay? And you can go to the video again. Right. Shall we go for the next lesson? Clearly listening to it, somewhat complex one. Our lesson is factors and multiples. Factors and multiples. Factors and multiples. Factors and multiples. If write down a sentence. If a whole number if a whole number can be written as product of two numbers. Product of two numbers. Comma. They are factors of above number. Factors of above number. Factors of above number. In the inverted comma. If a whole number can be written as product of two numbers, they are factors of above numbers. They are factors of above numbers. The singular meaning of factors, we call it sadhaka. Factors means sadhaka. Multiples means gunakara. The singular meaning is factors means sadhaka, multiple means gunakara. If a whole number is written as product of two numbers, they are factors of above numbers. Right, Pute? You know this one? Yes. Did you know this? If a whole number, you know that whole number is counting number 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Count numbers can be written as a product of two numbers. I will explain it. Right? Product of two numbers. Product of two numbers. Now, are you finished? The definition is, I think you are finished. We known as, yes, factors. How now we want to learn that how we write the number, right? How we write a number as a product of two numbers. I will discuss some example. Right? For example, 6, the number 6. I can show it as a product of two numbers like this. Product of two numbers like this. 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is a 6. 6 we can show as a product of two numbers. 2 into 3. Another method. 1 into 6. 1 into 6. It is another method. Right. Next one. 3 into 2. Another method. Next one is 6 into, yes, 6 into 1. This is the way we present a number as a product of two numbers. Present a number as a product of two numbers. But normally, you know that these two are right. These two are normally equal types. 2 into 3, 3 into 2. When we consider that is a normal, that's a equal. Next one, as well as 1 into 6, 6 into 1, that is the same. Therefore, normally we take only a right 1. ඒ කියන්නේ ළමයි මේක ගත්තාම මෙයා ගත්තාම common. ඒක නිසා මේ දෙකම ලිව්වේ නැතුවට කමක් නැහැ. 6 into 1 ලිව්වාම ඇති 1 into 6 ලියන්න අවශ්‍ය නැහැ. 2 into 3 ලිව්වාම ඇති 3 into 2 ලියන්න අවශ්‍ය නැහැ. For example, 4 අරගන්න 4 අපිට ලියන්න පුළුවන් 2 into 2 4 1 into 4 4 තව අපිට එකක් ලියන්න පුළුවන් 4 into 1 but it is not necessary because both is are same. Right. Next one, another example. පුතේ දැන් මෙච්චර වෙලා කිව්වේ ඒක ආයෙ පාරක් ලියන්න ඕනේ නැහැ කියලා තමයි. මේකෙන් කිව්වේ ඒක තමයි. ආයෙ ලියන්න ඕනේ නැහැ එකම જાති එකක් කියලා. 12. එකම જાති එක දෙපාරක් නැහැ. 4 into 1 කිව්වත් එකයි 1 into 4 කිව්වත් එකයි නේ පුතේ. ඒකෙන් එකක් ලියන්න කියලා තමයි කිව්වේ. 12. එන්න බලන්න. 6 into 2. I appear again we doesn't write the 2 into 6. Useless. Right. Next one 1 into 12. Again we are not right 12 into 1. Useless. Next one 3 into 4. Right. Again we are not trying to 4 into 3. That is useless. That is useless. That these are enough. Those are the products, no? Those are the products of these numbers. Right? Now, Lamai, I want to explain that factors are the factors කියලා කියන්නේ මෙන්න මේ products එක product එක දෙපාරක් ලියන්න නැතුව present කරන numbers ටිකට අපි කියනවා factors කියලා. Otherwise factors means every whole numbers we can divide this number without remaining. Again I will explain in Sinhala. Factor කියලා කියන්නේ මේ 10 factors කියලා කියන්නේ 10 ඉතිරි නැතුව බෙදන්න පුළුවන් සංඛ්‍යා. All the whole numbers which we can divide 10 without remaining we known as factors. That factors we can identify through the product of numbers. Factors we can identify through the products of numbers. Through the products of numbers. Through the products of numbers. Therefore, write down. Therefore, factors of above numbers, therefore, therefore, factors, therefore, factors, factors, therefore factors of above numbers, factors of above numbers, above, you know the word above, factors above number, as follow. 10 factors of 10. Now we want to write the factors of 10. See, 1 is a factor of 10, 2, 5 and 10 is the factors of 10. Right? Is the factors of 10. First one. 1, 2, 5, 10. Right? It is better if you can write in the arrangement, ascending order. Next one, 15. Right. 15. The products of the number. The products are the factors. Products are my factors will. 1, 3, 5, 15 are the factors. 15 are the factors. Next one, 18. The factors of 18 is yes. Next one, 24. Fourth one is 24. What are the factors? 1, write down, Ramai. Write down. Always ALWAYS. Always. One and always. Always. One. Number one, huh? One. Always one. And its own number always one and its own number one and its own number are the factors of a number. Are the factors of a number. Always one and its own number are the factors of a number. Now I see here, always one and its own. Right? One and its own. One and its own. Always the factor of that number. 15, when we consider 15, 1 is the factor, 15 is the factor. 1 is the factor, 18 is the factor. 1 is the factor, 24 is the factor. 1 is the factor, 36 is the factor. See here, 1 and its own. 36 is a factor, 36. 1 is a factor. 1 and its own number, always the factors of the number. Right. Finding factors. Finding factors. Finding factors. Finding factors. By using multiplication table. Multiplication table. Now you know the shape of the multiplication table like this, right? For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. As well as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like that, you want to write to 10, up to 10. You want to write this up to 10. These are we call, this horizontal lines we call rows. These horizontal lines we known as rows. These vertical lines we known as, all vertical lines we known as, it's a vertical. It's a vertical. This side is horizontal. Horizontal. It's a vertical. Vertical and all vertical lines we known as columns. We known as columns. We known as columns. You want to write up to 10 now? So write only for the 7. Right. I take the 20 as an example. Right? The value is, I take the example 20. Example 20. දැන් සර් මේ මාක් කරලා දෙන්නේ මේ ටේබල් එකේ 20 හැදෙන තැන 2 into 10 ඔන්න එක වැල් ප්ලේස් එකක් 20 2 into 10 is 20 ඔන්න සර් එක ප්ලේස් එකක් මාක් ඊගාවට 4 into 5 4 into 5 right yes ඊගාට ආය 5 into 4 ඔන්න 20 හැදෙනවා මේ ටේබල් එකේ 20 හැදෙන තැන ඊගාට 2 into 10 2 into 10 20 හැදෙනවා these are the places multiplication table එකේ 20 හැදෙන තැන තමයි ඔය finding the factors by using multiplication tables. Rows. The horizontal lines are rows. Vertical lines are columns. Vertical lines are columns. Now see පුතේ දැන් කොහමද multiplication table එක බලලා ඉවරලා factors හොයන්නේ හරි 2 and 10 හරි 2 and 10 multiple වෙලා 20 වුණා ඔන්න 20 වල factors of 20 sir රොයනවා multiplication table එකේ now 20 තිබ්බනම් එහෙම හරියට ලියවලා 1 into 20 තියෙනවා. හරි. මෙන්න factors. එකක් තමයි 2 into 10. One is 2 into 10. The factors of 20 sir ලියනවා. 2 into 10. 4 into 5. 4 into 5. මේකේ හැමදාම 4 into 5 තියෙනවා 5 into 4 තියෙනවා. එකක් ලියුවාම ඇති. ඊගාවට අපිට හම්බ වෙයි මේක multiplication table එක ඉස්සරහට අරන් ගියා නම් 20ට යනකම්. හරි. 20ට යනකම් ඉස්සරහට ගෙඩිච්චරක් නෙන්න. හරි. We can see the 1 into 20. අපිට මේක අනිත් පැත්තත් ලියකි 10 into 2 5 into 4 20 into 1 it is useless therefore we are not right like that